everybody, this is Shawnacy with the Eastern Iowa Arts Academy. Today is a quick prompt. We've been talking a lot about images and a lot about creating fun images on the page. Today's prompt is more about the words. So if maybe you have a cool page, I wanted to show you this one. This was our lion snake guy from yesterday. He kind of like folds up there either way. So I was thinking about what I wanted to write about here, and what I'm hoping our prompt will be that'll be helpful for you is to sort of co-opt a conversation. So this can be a conversation that you hear. This can be a conversation that you have with someone else. This can be a conversation you overhear in a movie or a show that you're watching. So you're going to take someone else's conversation. You're going to take it out of context. So for instance, sometimes when you take a conversation out of context, or if you ever like walked into a room and you've heard something and you're like, what were you talking about? It just doesn't make sense out of context. So it happens a lot in our house. We have interesting situations that come up and you find things coming out of your mouth that you would never think that you would say. When my kids were little, they used to like to dress up. Even if it wasn't Halloween, we had this big box of costumes, and so they would dress up. And I remember one time, one of them dressed up, the little one dressed up in this unicorn, like onesie. She was zipped up, she had her hood on, and she was really poofy, for her. And her brother was dressed up in something else, probably. He had this gorilla suit that he liked to dress up in. And so but because the unicorn costume was so poofy, he could mess with her and it wouldn't hurt because she was in this big padded unicorn suit. And so especially like the head and the horn was just huge and it wasn't even anywhere near her head. So I would find him, I would walk into a room and I'd find this giant gorilla punching the head of a unicorn and everyone was laughing. And I found myself saying the sentence, new rule, don't punch the unicorn. So that's become sort of like a funny thing that we say in my house, no punching the unicorn, which is something that's strange if you take it out of context, right? You're like, why would you ever say no punching the unicorn? So I want you to find a conversation and take it out of context and sort of put it in a new context. So we're gonna sort of an altered book or an altered image. We're gonna alter a conversation today. Lion lizard, or my lion snake here with his fire hose, fire thrower tail. And my job today, I'm going to look for a conversation that I could make this lion say, or a quote or something that I could make this lion say. So I'm going to make myself like a little speech bubble here, or maybe a thought bubble, and I'm going to fill it in with whatever this lion might be saying. And I'm going to find that saying today as I'm listening for words and conversations that other people have. I'm still working on this bird guy. We've got like a giant set of stairs here between his body and his head. I'm gonna put a little spirally around it. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm looking for something for him to say as well. Maybe he's having a conversation with this other bird over here. They're sort of facing away from each other. Maybe they're mad at each other, and I can think of like a conversation back and forth that they might have. So that's what I'm working on today. Find some good words, put them in your art journal. I'll see you back here tomorrow.